What is it? Can you go make some noise? Make it go. Let's rumble. Sit down. Can you press the button? Press the button. Okay. Where are you going? You got a green truck? Excuse me, what? Oh, really? It's a truck? Oh, really? That's fascinating. Yeah, and then what happened? Yeah, you're wearing a shirt. It's nice. Yeah? Really? Oh! Where did it go? Where did it go? Really? Can you make it go vroom vroom? Make it go vroom vroom across. That's a truck. That's right. Do you want it for Rakan? Oh, kaboom. Can you put this one back? That's very good. Now, get another one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a red car. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah, what goes in there? Really? Oh, really? Hey, Rakan. If you want, put them back. Yeah, that's a nice one. Also a red car. Or is that a truck? Okay, go get another one. Oh. Yeah. Why is there a leaf in the playroom? Why is it there? Can you pick up the leaf, please? Pick it up. It's right here. There it is. A leaf. A leaf on the playroom floor. Oh, can you put it in the trash? Where is the trash here? Mafi. Huh. Okay, give it to Mama instead. Oh, well. See what you think Mama is. Oh, good boy, Rakan. Yeah? Whoa! Yeah, you tell it who's boss. Who's the boss? Who is? Oh, good boy. Can you show me your muscles? Do this. Show me your muscles. Wait, where's your nose? Good boy. No, 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 no. No, don't.